Boys and girls, ho, are you ready to dance and count? Let's sing with our little star and her puppy beauty. There's a little girl who loves to twirl, spin around and give a whirl. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, move into the happy beat. Beauty the dog goes woof, 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 run in circles on the roof. They laugh and play the whole day through. Come and dance with them too. Dance, dance, little star, shine so bright just as you are. Jump up high, touch the sky, wave your hands and say hi, hi. Dance, dance, don't be shy, twirl around and fly, fly, fly. Happy hearts, laugh and play, we can dance all day. Backpack on, it's time for school, learning letters, super cool. Sing with me, loud and free, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now let's count, come count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump so high. 9 and 10, clap again. Yay! We counted to 10. Dance, dance, little star, shine so bright just as you are. Count and sing, do your thing, let your happy voices ring. Dance, dance, spin around, tap your toes on the ground. With your friends and puppy too, there's so much fun to do. Now the sun goes sleepy sleep, moon and stars begin to peep. Beauty curls up nice and tight, dreaming softly through the night. Little star, close your eyes, tomorrow brings a new surprise. More dancing, more school fun, more shining like the sun. Dance, dance, little star, you're amazing as you are. 1 to 10 and A to G, you're as bright can be. Close your eyes, drift away, we will dance again next day. Good night, little star.